Hi! In this video, I'll be showing how to create a proposal and directly send it to your clients or to the lead. For that, you can go to the Template Center here. We'll be listing out all the modules where you can save them as templates and use them for your projects or for your leads. Click on Proposal and you will be redirected to the Proposal Template Center. By default, we provide templates. If you want, you can use them, or else you can create your own. If you want to edit on top of the existing templates, you can do that as well. To create a new proposal, just click on the Create New button. Here we have Start from Scratch or Upload Proposal. So if you have any default template that you use for every project, you can upload it into our system and reuse it for your future projects. In this video, I will show how to create a proposal from scratch. To create a proposal, we have various editors. If you want to add text, just click on Text and drag and drop it here. You can select the style you want to add. You can choose the styling according to the text, and you can extend the text field as well. Similarly, you can add an image to this proposal. You can create a table where you can mention your project scope and all the details. If you want to set a divider, you can create a divider as well. You can choose the thickness in between as well. If you want to create any checkbox type fields, you can do that too. This way, while creating, the client can check the boxes based on the questions you are asking. If you want to include an e-signature in your proposal, that can also be done. Just drag and drop it and choose whether it has to be the lead signature or the organization signature. You can also create a proposal using shapes. Click on Shapes, drag and drop the shape block, and choose what kind of shape you want to add. You can choose shapes like square, circle, or rectangle. You can also choose the color for the shape. Here, you can use shapes to create a layout as well. For that, click on the shape, unlock the ratio, and enter the width and height. If you want to add border radius, that can also be done. If you want to duplicate the shape, you can duplicate it as well. If you want to add an image inside this shape, you can do that too. Just click on Image and attach an image file. If you want to add a new blank page for the proposal, click on Add Blank Page and another proposal page will be created. Page 2 will be created. Click on it and you can start working on that page. If you want to show pricing details for this proposal, click on the pricing table and drag it here. You can give the item name like this. If you want to add a discount, you can add it. If you want to add tax, you can add that as well. If you want to add the terms and conditions for this proposal, you can add them here. If you want to show your organization logo in this proposal, simply drag and drop the organization logo and it will be displayed here. Next, we have variables. To use variables, drag and drop a text field and click on Variables. We have variables for organization common, current year, date, time, month. Users leads. If you want to show the logged in user's name, you can choose user variables. Whenever you send the proposal, their name will be automatically updated. For leads, click on lead name and it will be displayed like this. So for every proposal, you don't need to rewrite the lead or client name manually. These variables will automatically fetch the lead profile details and display them here. If you want to show your organization's About Us details, that can also be done. Just click on Variables, under Organization, select Professional Summary, and it will be displayed like this. create the proposal, you need to enter the proposal title and description. Once the proposal has been created, it will look like this. You can list out the About Us section like this, use the variables, and create a beautiful proposal using the editors and variables. This is how the proposal will look. Once done, you can update it, and it will be saved in your custom templates. This is how you can create a proposal, and you can save it inside the template center. That's all in this video on how to create a proposal in our software. Thank you.